As a bylaw enforcement officer, you will deal with all kinds of community problems. Whether they are speeding snowmobiles or stray dogs, everyone will want to blame someone else. It will be your job to find out what the problems are and who is responsible. Your goal with any situation is to come up with a solution that fixes the problem and keeps everyone as happy as possible. Before you can even begin to solve a problem, you need to realize that the problem exists. Think of any problem you are dealing with right now, whether personal or professional. What were the very first signs of the problem? What could you have done earlier to deal with the problem? You might find that you left things too late and the problem got worse over time. Recognizing the problem is about catching it early so you can work at solving it fast. Once you recognize that there is a problem, the second step is to find out who is responsible for the problem. This could be a stranger, the mayor, or your brother. Who they are doesn't matter. Once you get a person to take responsibility for the problem, the hope is that they will work with you for a solution. In order to solve a problem, you will have to understand it. To gather the facts, you have to be on alert. This will become second nature as your observation skills improve. You need meaningful information to understand a problem. Information is meaningful when it is complete and has been checked over to figure out which parts are facts and which parts are assumptions or opinions. When you're trying to solve a problem, take the assumptions and opinions out of the equation and deal directly with the facts. If necessary, you may wish to consult with experts or elders to gather facts. Avoid making a knee-jerk response based on your own assumptions, opinions, likes, and dislikes. In order to solve a problem, you must ensure that everyone involved shares the same understanding of the problem. To do this, form a problem statement that explains the situation. Your problem statement should include the who, what, when, where, why, and how of the situation. It should contain only the facts, and it should be as simple as possible. Once you have come up with your problem statement that everyone agrees with, it is time to find a solution. Look at all the factors, even the not so obvious ones. Once you have come up with a few possible solutions, think about the consequences of each one. Try to combine the best parts of the best solutions until you have something that fits. As we've said, your goal with any problem is to come up with a solution that fixes the problem and keeps everyone as happy as possible.